ATHEARN Ready to roll line. DCC and sound equipped RJ Corman sd40-2. Got this for my birthday yesterday. A few things I want to point out. There's detail parts in the back, comes with it. But this is not your Genesis line locomotive. But on this DCC and sound equipped and is on a budget type model. We're about to get this thing on track. As you can tell, there's no cup or cut lever there. What a shame. But also no rear end disc lights. Your number boards don't light up. But it's still a good model. As you can tell, I can't really a second here, guys. I'm right now having trouble because my leg is killing me today. But had to basically get this stuff over to the table here. You can tell we're about to put this thing on the track. You can tell it's ready to roll box there, but your number of boards and stuff don't light up. But it's in the wrong address. As you can tell, it's address 3 here. But watch what I do. For the program, main track, 0. That is 3, 4, 7, 8. Enter. Okay. You can tell nothing happens now. But when I go 3, 4, 7, 8, watch this. Turn the headlight on, press number 5. Ditch lights come on. Of course, they do not flash. But that's how it works. Can't do full power because I have my birthday down here at the beach. But yeah, I'm also doing no scale. Yeah, I'm doing HO as well. Yeah, it's a pretty cool engine, not the best. On the bell. Do some plain crew talk if I can make it work. Which is not prototypical, but who cares? And there it goes. Yeah, I should have this on the way out when I get back. So I hope y'all enjoy this short review. There's not much to it. I wish they would have put the cup or cut lever on the front. But the back of this one, as you can see, but it's affordable locomotive. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoy this. Bye-bye.